Another one brought to you by Gali Vibe Videos. I went ahead and trimmed everything up.
Where we show you how to do it.
Electrical and everything situated. And
don't forget to like and subscribe.
Restroom. Furred out, good in there. Nice. Cool little cabin house. Did all the trim, put all the stuff out. Got another one there. Yes. Another door here. Another cool little restroom in the back. Trim that out here. Yes. Nice. Another one brought to you by Gali Vibe Videos. We show you how to do it.